It's what you need to look like a pro. And, of course, it's for your household. It's for you. It's a better choice.
So, why Bialetti?
Why Bialetti? Why not? Italian brand, one of the best in Italy, and for sure one of the most historical.
Okay.
I'm not kidding you. I have a picture of myself 2 years old with a Bialetti mocha on the kitchen stove.
This is the 3-piece heaven for Italian espresso. 1, 2, 3. Right? Water till here, coffee, close it, lock it, put it on your stove, minimal fire. When coffee is ready, she sings to you. She like, and you know that the best espresso in the world is ready. That's how we get up in the morning. My grandma sneaks in the kitchen at 5. She makes one of these by 6, and everybody gets up. That's why Italian household in the morning smell like coffee, because the vapors, the steam comes in off it. That's coffee.
So it's unreal. It's really a revelation. So now I'm teaming up with a company that has a product that does stand out of it. I dare any other company, any other one out there, put this on the side and tell me that you can have a better result than something else.
That's good there.
I dare you. You tell me one item that you think this is gonna stick.
Sure.
I'll try. If it sticks, I'm coming at your house and do the dishes.
Wow. Yeah.
I wouldn't be here telling you that this is a revelation if I didn't believe so. Think about this one. I've been in this business for about 22 years. 22 years. I replace cast iron in my restaurant with this. So this is the tool that you need to deliver the food that you go out and pay for it. Crispy skin, crispy chicken, something that it caramelized without stick. Think about onion, think about vegetable, eggs. Come on, we didn't even use butter.
If you had to pick one product to have in your kitchen, if you only have one for something, what product? What pan or gadget?
Well, I'll tell you this much. I wasn't still am a big fan of stainless steel.
Okay.
But I would pick cast iron over stainless steel.
Okay.
But I'll pick this ceramic over cast iron.
Oh, really?
So if I have to choose one, I'll go with it.
And this, to me, it's, think about cast iron. As a chef, I love cast iron. Crisp things very nicely. It's a little heavy, it's okay, but it's a pain in my leg to clean. It gets very dirty, it rusts.
Tradition. Yeah. I will never cheat tradition. This is one of the most traditional brands in Italy, and now in this market, if you don't adapt, you die.
Sure.
This company is adapting better than anyone else out there. Oh, okay. And regardless if you believe me or not, that's not the point. I'm not here to say, you gotta listen to me, buy because Fabio is attached to it.
Sure.
No, who cares about Fabio? They have something that stands out. They choose me to deliver a message. They're doing all the work. This product will stand out with anybody. Maybe with me it's easier to reach the public, but they don't need me to look good with this or that. Anyone can look.
So I've been dying to ask you, what is the secret to the perfect yogurt?
So the right amount, the right balance between flour and potato.
Okay.
The potato cannot be too wet, or it's going to require too much flour, which is going to lead to either a too gummy or a really hard yogurt.
Okay. Because, on Top Chef, I know they always bring that yogurt. Yeah. I was hoping you were going to put this here today.
If you go on my website, FabioViviani.com, you'll see the video of how to make yogurt.
Oh, okay.
So
Yeah, I'll definitely check that out. Okay, was there anything else you wanted to tell my readers about yourself?
I'm very proud of my new book that's coming out. It's called Did I Really Make Breakfast?
Okay.
It's a breakfast book, and it's 5.5-week bestseller on Amazon.
Wow.
I'm proud of it, also because I'm not American, so I shouldn't be too big in breakfast.
Sure.
But that's nice because it shows me how people care about simple things done right.
Okay.
That's what the book is about.
Oh, that's great.
I'm very excited. I work with a lot of Italian brands, Bialetti, Bertolli Olive, Santa Margherita wine. I adore work with people that behind the product, they have the passion and the Italian passion. It's unreal.
Okay.
It's really, really good.
Oh, that's great. Yeah, and I'm sure it produces some wonderful food.
Well, when you have the right tools, the right people behind, the right ingredients, that passion, it's hard to mess up.
Sure. Okay. Thank you very much. I appreciate you taking the time.